Good morning, everyone. What?
If Anna were to die, give birth to Ethan, will you get on the food, milk, making pill, and nursing?
Yeah. Literally, I'm watching a freaking video about how to turn off this stupid grid. So now I know how to do it, but I don't know why. Why am I looking so weird in this camera? I don't know. Maybe I'm just losing my shiz, but I swear something's like wrong with my camera. Okay, but anyways, the moral of the story that I was just saying was that this grid has been on my camera, and it happens to me sometimes, and I never know how it happens or what I did and how to turn it off. So I just found out how to turn it off. So anyways, so today I asked you guys last night what you wanted me to film today, and most of y'all said that y'all wanted me to just do a vlog, like a day in my life. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm about to get out of bed. My mom made breakfast, so I'm about to just go eat because I'm hungry. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. Oh my god, yummy. Hey guys, we got an ice maker. It's super dope. I got it off Amazon. I don't even remember which one it is, but it makes a butt ton of ice. Like before, we used to use all of these ice trays. Now we have an ice maker. It is now 12:47. I just woke up again. Felt like I was sleeping for actually forever. Like I thought it was like 3 or 4. Kind of want another cinnamon roll. This is my day. I wake up and then go back to sleep because I'm tired. I just spilled my water. I'm finally awake now. Today I want to clean my room. A while ago I actually cleaned my room because I don't know if you guys remember, but I had like a bunch of stuff over there. Well, I have more stuff over there now, but I got a new bed set for my bed, and I just basically cleaned my whole entire room because it was really bad, but now it's getting bad again. So that's all my laundry that I need to put up, and then that's my clothes from Cameron's house that I need to put up. That's my dress that I wore for the prom thing that I need to put up, and then that just needs to go, and then I just need to pick that up and just get rid of my dirty clothes and put those in the dirty clothes hamper. And pretty much that is it. That's all I really gotta do for my room. And then tonight I need to go, like before tonight, I need to go to Walmart because I need to get a few things. I need to get some tea tree oil for my ears because my keloids are just getting super bad. I have one on the bottom of the industrial right there, and then I also have one on the top of the industrial. Highly annoying. I ran out of tea tree oil. Well, actually I had some, and then I took it to Cameron's and it spilled in my bag, so I have to go get more. My family's gone. I have no clue where they went. They went somewhere. I don't know where they are, so I'm just gonna wait for them to get back. Maybe I'll clean my room in the middle of like midst of that, waiting for them, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm probably just gonna lay here and go back to sleep, honestly. I just realized I'm totally wearing Katie's merch right now. I slept in it last night, but if you guys don't know, Katie McKenzie on YouTube, you definitely probably know. She's popping right now, but this is her merch. You can get it at Katie McKenzie merch. Super cute. It has like this Kate Sters thing on the side. That's what she calls her subscribers, and super cute, so comfortable. But anyways, I just got up. Like I actually got up, so I think I'm gonna put in my contacts. And I got a gift card from my elementary PE teacher. Literally my favorite person at elementary school. I literally was in love with him. Not like in love with him, but like he was just like my favorite teacher. But anyways, there's made bed, but he got me a $25 gift card to Walmart, and I'm about to go to Walmart. That's gonna come in handy. And I also just got a $40 gift card from Target for graduation. So excited about that because I really want to start doing Hiram's skincare like stuff. I've talked about this before. I honestly don't remember when, but yeah, I did. And I want to just start using like SavWay and stuff, and like using the products that he recommends. So I'm gonna use probably my Target gift card for that. These are the contacts that I wear. These are the like SafWayy, something like that. I have 2 different contacts for different eyes. So my right eye is a different prescription, and then my left, I can see, but it's just sitting so blurry, and it's just like getting worse and worse and worse. It's highly annoying. Hate it. If you wear contacts though, let me know if this annoys you when you're like watching people who don't know how to put contacts in. And I don't even mean this in like a rude way, but it's just like very highly irritating to try to watch someone put them in when it's like really super easy. Just like people don't. I mean, I know because when I first started it was a little bit weird, but it's actually super easy. I just take it and I put it like that. You can't even really see it, but yeah, you just take it like that, and you're gonna lift your top eye up. Like lift it up, and then take your middle finger, pull it down and in just like that. So I go like this, not like with the tip of my finger. And to take them out, I literally just use the insides of these 2 fingers, and I just go like that and pull out. And I don't even really need a mirror. I can put my contacts in with or without a mirror. I've just been wearing them for so long. Literally think I started wearing contacts in like middle school. Okay, I need to tackle cleaning my room. this is just not it for me. I don't want these pillows anymore because I just don't, I don't know. And then I have a bunch of dirty clothes right here. This is all dirty clothes. This is my old planner. It literally broke, so I had to like make new days in it. And this is what my new one looks like. So much cuter, so much like nicer and sleek, like old, new, so much better. But yeah, I've just been planning everything that I got going on so far. Update, this is what my tattoo is looking like. Looking super good. This is what this one's looking like. Went to the lake yesterday, so I've got a little bit of a tan line, but okay, enough rambling. I really need to clean out. Okay, as I was cleaning my room, my mom's starting to watch Nola. Nola! So I just got done cleaning. I put away all of my clothes. That box, I just don't know what to do with it, so it's just gonna have to stay there. And honestly, I don't really wear fancy clothes enough to like need this like cleared out. I usually just wear clothes for my dresser. This is like my everyday stuff. And then I cleaned off this a little bit, that, and then I made my bed. And then this is like my vanity right now. I just have my gift card, and then I have my planner. And I need to write thank you cards for everyone who like got me gifts for graduation. It's currently 2:30, so I have a lot of time. Walmart closes at 8, so I could really get out all of these thank you cards, or I could go to Walmart right now. But my mom's actually vacuuming. I also need to order some new glasses, the ones that just like match my prescription a little better, because I've been wearing the same one for years now. Like, I don't know, maybe like 3 years, and I haven't got them fixed or anything because my prescriptions kind of stayed around. It's just like fidgeted a little bit, so like the glasses still work, they're just like a little bit not right, you know? So whenever I wear my glasses for a long time and then I finally put my contacts back in, it's like my eyes kind of hurt. It is currently an entire week later. I filmed this video literally a week ago before I went to Cameron's house, and then I ended up like getting stuck out at Cameron's house for a literal week. Like, I was supposed to come home Thursday, but then I ended up not being able to come Thursday, so now it's Saturday. Anyways, basically I'm back home now, and you guys know, well, some of you guys know that I got a bunny with Cameron. We got a bunny, his name is Obi, and Obi's actually living at my house now. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little story time about like how we got Obi and everything. So basically I got Obi off of Craigslist. Not the best way to go. For sure, 100% go to a shelter or a bunny rescue, anything like that, and adopt your bunny. That is the best route to go. Definitely don't shop for your bunnies. That just feeds into the whole like environment of just raising bunnies to sell and stuff like that. So don't do what we did. Highly don't recommend it. Definitely will never do that again. But anyways, we got Bunny from Craigslist. His name is actually Obi. We just call him Bunny as like a nickname. But when we first got him, Obi was actually living at Cameron's house, and we had him a cage. But most of the time throughout the day, he had a playpen that he could play in, or he was on the bed with Cameron. He was not really in his cage a lot, but I knew that no matter what, I didn't really want him in his cage at all. So eventually we were going to move Obi to my house, and we were going to free roam him. So that is finally what we're doing. He is free roaming in my room. So he has this whole entire room to go around and do whatever. The only thing I need to do still is wireproof my room. Some of the wires are still kind of showing. I tried to get them up away from Obi as much as I possibly could, but some of them are still showing. So I'm going to show you guys kind of Obi's little setup. But this is his little hut thing that was in his cage. He has toys literally everywhere. Here is his litter box. He needs more hay, but he has hay and his litter in there. He's literally been pooping everywhere. I'm still trying to litter box train him, but you can see he's really friendly. He loves me, but he has his food in his water bowl over here. And then I went ahead and cleaned out like most of everything underneath my bed. It's just like some toys, and then those are like pillows all across that side. And then right here I have his food. This is the food he's eating. If you guys know like a better food, then let me know. I want to put him on the best that I have, but this is just what we have. It's the Garden Select Young Rabbit food, since he is only like 2 months old. So yeah, I get this at Petco, and this is just what we've been feeding him. And then I have a bunch of hay in here, and then in my closet right here I have a bunch more extra hay. These are some like pet wipes that I'm going to use to like clean out Ben or clean his paws. It's not really good to like bathe bunnies. They pretty much clean themselves. So if you're going to clean them, I found that like just wipe if you need to, then these are fine. And then here's some treats that I feed him. And then also we have these like yogurt drops. I don't really know if these are like good for him, but yeah, we have those. These are his little nail clippers. And then I saw these little like vitamin type things for bunnies on this TikToker who has bunnies and is really well like knowledgeable in the bunnies, and she gives her bunnies these. And there's also like vitamin C, and there's other ones, but I just got the digestive support just to help him. And yeah, these are just like basically vitamins for bunnies. And then here's some like extra blankets and stuff, and then some extra toys. But that's kind of just like in there. Obi, come here. Oh yes, you love your mama. Hi, baby. If you're gonna get a bunny, make sure you do your research, because it's not like an easy pet to have. Like, I mean, like, it is a pretty easy pet to have, but at the same time, it's not like those pets that you want to keep in your cage. They're gonna need a lot of space, and that's why we decided to free roam him at my house, because it was just easier. He has a lot more space to play around and stuff. And no, these are not all of his toys. I'm gonna be ordering that like thing that's like a box or whatever, and it has like toys that hang. This is just what we have right now, but just make sure you really do your research. And also, bunnies don't really like to be handled. Like, when you first get your bunny, in order for them to get them to be comfortable with you and stuff, you just kind of have to let them come to you. You can't really go grabbing them or going trying to pick them up. It's just gonna scare them and not make them feel comfortable. So you have to let them come to you, and then that's when you can start like petting them and picking them up and stuff like that. So we've really like tried to push back on like holding him as much, because we want him to really warm up to us. And as you can see, he's pretty good with me. And also try to not get a baby bunny. Like, we got Obi when he was around like 6 weeks old, and I'm not really sure if that's like terrible or not. The guy that we got him from was a breeder, and he said it was fine, but I would probably wait till your bunny's like 8 to 12 weeks old. But yeah, we got Obi when he was like 6 weeks old, I'm pretty sure. So not the best, I know, but Obi really has a good life. But he's definitely a really spoiled bunny, and I'm still in the process of litter box training him. As you guys can see, he's just now trying to start using the litter, so he literally has poop everywhere in my room right now. And what I've been doing to like litter box train him is I've been taking the poop, putting it in the litter box, and if he pees, I'm gonna be taking he honestly probably has peed, but I just don't know. But if he pees, I'm just gonna take a like napkin or paper towel and like kind of wipe it up, and then I'm gonna put it in the litter box. I've been watching videos on how to litter box train him, but it's still a process. I'm still learning. Obi is my first bunny, me and Cameron's first bunny, so we're definitely learning as we go, but we love Obi. But yeah, anyways, that's the update with my bunny and everything. But anyways, hope you guys liked this like random vlog type thing, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.